Hello viewers, MS Office provides us to use its facility free online. However, the problems become arise when the OneDrive gets its storage full. So better if you purchase it, but in case if you are a student and can't afford it, so we can get free the storage of OneDrive once again. So we can move or shift the data from OneDrive to our hard disk and get the free 5 GB space once again available for our work. On screen please. Now to reach your MS Office free use of online, open the browser, and when it opens, so we click these 9 dots and then we go and open Word, PowerPoint or any XYZ file. So let me click Word file. It asks for sign in, so click sign in, and when it sign in, so this message appears. Manage storage. If I click it, so it says that 5.2 GB data has been full. And if I click the empty Word file, so it asks for get more storage against which prices are available. So now let's fix the problem. Click on Windows and then Settings. And in setting, we will first locate where is the problem. So this is the area you can see it, it's full. Click this OneDrive and it will open. Now, once again, go and click open folder. When you click it, you will see all the data against your OneDrive, which is available over here. You can open it one by one and it's huge data. So select all, cut it and make a folder on your computer, then move the data to that file. Do this with all these folders one by one. Now you can see it, the data is transferring. Now once again go and select all file below and deselect Microsoft Edge and Personal Velvet. Once again Ctrl X for cut and then go to the same folder and paste it. Now we will also search the remaining files. Click on picture folders and here are huge data. Now all the data must be transferred from here to your hard disk. Then you can segregate and delete or whatever is your wish. Let's go for a final check. All the folders are empty and let me select all folder, right click and property and you can see a lot of space has been now available. So now we can use our MS Office freely. Once again, now let's go open the Windows sign and click on settings and in settings click home and you still see this occupied area, so restart your PC and now see there is only 0.1 GB in use. Let's use the MS Office free. Open the browser, click 9 dots, now MS Word, and we will open a blank sheet or click sign in, open a sheet, and we will simply use it normally. You can write anything and it provides full facility. You can share it, you can export it, download option is also available. Now let's open PowerPoint and the same way it's also provide all the facility which you can use. So through this way you can shift all the data of your OneDrive to your hard disk and you can once again use the free online MS Office version with full facility. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.